Morning, I'm Doctor here. This snake heart is highly rich with vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, and it is having magnesium, potassium, sodium, iron, zinc, phosphorus, and manganese, and many flavonoids and carotenoids, and also soluble and insoluble fibers, and rich in fiber, and also phenolic acid and isoflavones, flavonoids. They're also flavonoids and rich with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. This snake gourd, because of its gallic acid present, it has got gallic acid, which is highly neuroprotective. Because of this reason, it reduces anxiety and depression. It is helpful for reducing anxiety and depression. It is highly antimicrobial. The snake gourd is having four properties like antimicrobial, antipyretic means it reduces the fever, and antihelminthic. In intestine, certain worms are removed by eating the snake gourd. So it is highly anti-neuroprotective. It removes toxins. It is anti-cancerous. It for type 2 diabetes, it is highly beneficial by reducing blood glucose level, and it prevents because of its isoflavone and a flavonoid present. It truly helps in preventing sudden high blood pressure in the body. It reduces high blood pressure and also prevent heart stroke. It has got potassium, which maintains good electrolyte balance, and this potassium, suddenly if we have more sodium in the body, it try to eliminate sodium from the body. It is very helpful. Potassium is very helpful to maintain heartbeat, and this potassium is also helpful for maintaining good heart health. And along with magnesium helps to reduce atrial fibrillation. It maintains certain rhythms and impulses of the heart to maintain balance of the to maintain the healthy heart. And if that rhythm and impulses are deviated, it is called as atrial fibrillation. That can be prevented by the magnesium present in this snake heart. And especially this magnesium will reduce bad cholesterol from the heart. At the same time, it helps for healthy contraction of the muscles and blood vessels. So it keeps heart healthy, and the toxins from the body are highly removed by the snake guard. Because of this property, it is helpful to prevent stone formation in the kidneys, and also it is very good for respiratory complaints and the pain created during that process, any disease condition. It is highly with anti-inflammatory properties. So it will soothe the systems, and along with that, it is having high antioxidants which are helpful to protect the body from oxidative stress. Because of this reason, it is highly anti-cancerous also, and it is having vitamin C rich, so it boosts up the healthy immunity system. And it is good for preventing acid reflux and reflux gurgitation and acidity. Because of its high fiber, it is easily digestible and prevents constipation. It is called as ketogenic diet because it is with low carbohydrates, low fats, and zero cholesterol. And this is very beneficial for PCOS problem, those who gain unwanted overweight they produce. For those people, this is very beneficial diet because it even reduces the blood glucose level, and it is very good for to remove acne and pimples because of its antimicrobial properties, and it prevents dandruff also. Along with intake, little external application, very little I suggest, only 20% I suggest, because it is fungal layer formation, the dandruff on the scalp, and we need to know the exact reason before knowing what is the reason of the dandruff. and then we can apply little to prevent the dandruff. This is very good for maintaining a very glossy and healthy skin because it is rich in vitamin E. So this snake guard, many people try to avoid it, but I have shown certain recipes. If the external texture is soft, it is very tasty, like rich guard and bottle guard. We need to know how to cook. The fresh vegetable of the snake guard is very tasty for certain chutneys, and also for keeping in dal, and we can make with jawar and bengal gram. We can make like pakoda. Somehow have consumption of this snake guard, because many people will avoid the snake guard. And snake guard is very good for, with many good properties, healthy properties. It is highly beneficial for our health, and it is rich in flavonoids and carotenoids, and also it has got very good anti-inflammatory properties and high fiber diet. It is beneficial for type 2 diabetes mellitus, and it we need to take the snake guard regularly. When we come to know, when we have awareness of what we are eating, prevention is better than cure. We can prevent certain diseases, and sometimes we can understand one thing. uh, Medicines are highly potentized form of these things. Some emergencies, medicines are highly essential, but to prevent the disease, food will be our great medicine. So if we have awareness of what we are eating, we will repeatedly cook that recipe. For that reason, I am going on telling you. Thank you for your great support and love. And many people doesn't know what is subscription. Kindly help others also to subscribe the channel, and please follow my Instagram too, and my regular shorts in YouTube. I have used many simplified techniques, and I am even teaching about the electronics used to reduce the work burden in the kitchen, along with the nutrition values I am trying to elevate to my knowledge. Thank you for your great support and love. And this is only 2 months, 3.5 months I came into this YouTube channel, but only since last 2 months I am concentrating on the YouTube. But I am blessed with 1 lakh 15,000 views and great